Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And today I want to show you guys how you can speed up your WhatsApp by making only one small thing. Let's take a look. So I got my phone screen over here. I'm going to pick up any conversation. So first thing is you can do this procedure by picking up any conversation you want, okay? I'm going to take my friend over here. And then you're going to type in the message field. Just type in a message field and you see those three dots over here on your right. So click on them and then you see the clipboard feature, which is this icon over here on your left. Then click on them and you see it's clear, but I'm gonna show you that this is gonna be filled with a lot of information. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna take some screenshots. I'm gonna screenshot of this, and then I'm gonna take another screenshot of my home screen over here, and let's go to the WhatsApp again to see what happened. And okay, pick up any conversation you want, just like I said. Click on message field. I'm gonna click on this X over here just to close the message, and then click on the three dots. Three dots, and then on the clipboard again. Oops, click on the clipboard, and what you see is these screenshots. One that I had previously, the second one that I just did some seconds ago. So as you do this over time, this whole window, this whole area over here is gonna fill up with a lot of information. It's screenshots, piece of text from the internet, those URL addresses. So it's going to fill it up with a lot of information here. And this information over time is going to make your WhatsApp laggy. You notice that it's going to be really slow. So you have to delete this information here. And how you do that? Just click on this trash bin over here, and then click all to click all the information in this window, and then click delete. So I'm going to click delete, and you see no items. So as you do this, just go back to your previous screen and you see that the animation is going to be faster. So your cell phone is not going to be laggy anymore. Even in WhatsApp, you take any conversation you want, you'll see for yourself. Okay, so I guess I'll see you guys another time. Don't forget to subscribe, give me 5 and show me your lights. See you, bye.